It's morning. Today I'm at Hillview MRT station and I'm going to cycle to the green corridor, which will lead me down to Spooner Road, which is near the Outram MRT station. This whole green corridor is originally a railway track from Singapore to Malaysia, but in the earlier years they closed the track and government has refurbished this whole stretch for recreational purpose and hiking and cycling. So currently I'm now outside Hillview and I'm gonna look for the entry point to the green corridor. So let's go. Okay, looks like the rain has stopped. I'm going to continue to look for the entry point to the green corridor. Okay, on my left side now, it's the rail mall. I can see the railway track right ahead. Okay. I can see the spring leaf prata place. So I know my friend told me that the entry point to the green corridor is near the spring leaf prata opposite of it. So I know I'm on the right track. Lots of people here, see, grabbing their breakfast. Prata is a popular choice for breakfast in Singapore. Lunch or even supper as well. So, okay, we reached. Hillview. Okay, there is a sign here that says that three directions towards the Tanjong Pagar Railway Station. It's 14.6 kilometers towards the south. To the Hillview MRT station, that's where I came from, is 700 meters, and to Fuyong Park, Interim Park, is 70 meters. So I'm going towards the Tanjong Pagar Railway Station. So I will follow the arrow sign and walk towards my left. See, I think I can cycle here. I braved through the rain. I'm still walking along the track. Jalan Anak Bukit. Okay. So we are 11.2 km away from Tanjong Pagar station. Okay, the pavement here seems better. Bukit Timah Railway Station was actually closed for 2 years because government want to restore this place. So it just recently opened on the 1st of July. So we're approaching the station now, and the rain is kind of coming back. So let's see if I can find shelter. On my left, over there is like a toilet and just a small little area which they describe about the station and stuff. So it's really nice. Look on the left side, down below, this toilet there. Let's go, continue. Government actually spent quite a lot of effort to do up this place. So this is the previously Bukit Timah Railway Station, which was built in the 1930s. Let's check out the control station in front. So over here is the ticket counter, ticket window. Last time, ticket window is so small, but now our ticket counter is much bigger. If you compare, right? So let's check out the map. What this map is? This map probably is from in the 1930s. You can see the railway track from Tanjung Pagar, Bukit Timah. We are here. And it goes up to Johor Bahru, Malaysia. And the Malaysian map in the 1960s. Oh, sorry, I think this map is in the 1960s, not the 1930s, because that map is 1960s. Yeah. .75. So it marks the distance from this location to Penang, Malaysia. So this is where the control station is. Show you guys inside. The sign is new. If you watch other YouTubers' video, the old sign is really worn out, rusty. You can't really tell the words of Bukit Timah State, of Bukit Timah. So they really did up this place. Yep. So this is the token control exchange pole. So train driver will drop his token onto the catcher pole before he can continue his journey section. So this is the one. Yep. Let's take a look around. People are taking pictures.
Very Instagrammable place. If you already been here, tell me what do you like about here. Okay? In the comments below. Look, there's a cafe here too. Let's check it out. Look at the old photos. Wow, of the old Singapore Tanjong Pagar station. I remember seeing the Tanjong Pagar station when I was young. I took the train once from Tanjong Pagar to Johor Bahru. I think that was when I was in primary school. So it really brought back the childhood memories. Yeah. It's a very nice place. My grandparents did. Sorry. Okay, I food here. And the teapots are so unique. Oh, and we have ice cream here too. Oh, sorry. The ice cream here as well. Hey, enjoy. See you. Wow, there's a ticketing counter. Let's go. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. These are olden chairs, and then I think my grandparents had these chairs when we were young. So it really brings back a lot of childhood memories. My grandparents had these chairs in our old place when I was young lah. Yeah. So, yeah. So we actually how do you know about this cafe here to work here? Yeah.
We are from the 1932 story.
Yes, they have other cafes elsewhere as well.
No other cafe, only our cafe.
Only here?
Yeah, only.
But how do you find out about this cafe to work here?
Yeah, it's fine. It's okay.
But how do you come to know about it? It's like, I mean, it's quite fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We our boss have
Other cafes elsewhere?
yeah, I have other cafe.
Oh, okay, okay.
Addicted to Black Cafe
Oh,
and Ubi
I see.
Avenue 4.
Okay, so he bid for this place.
Yeah,
Very
our
nice.
main
How long?
actually
how long were you here?
his main main business is a wood furniture.
Oh, wood furniture.
Yeah.
So that explains why there's a lot of wood furniture all around.
Yeah, that's right.
The rocking chair, the rocking chair over there is very unique.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have a lot of wood furniture here.
Yeah.
So it's just coming from our showroom.
Were you all here already at this cafe? How long?
We opened last July 1st.
July the 1st. Yeah. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, silly me. Because this place opened on 1st of July. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So I guess like you all open like Monday to Sunday, or which day do you all open? Or which day
We're
do you all
open
close?
every day, Monday
day?
to
Monday to Sunday.
Yeah.
Even public holidays?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
We're
nice.
open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you serve breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Yes.
Oh, look. So you guys want to check out a place for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Come here, okay? Monday to Sunday, public holiday also open.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
come here every day.
yeah. Okay, that's cool. I'm actually going to cycle down to Tanjong Pagar, so because I still have a long way to go.
Okay.
Yeah, so I will come back again soon. now I'm continuing my journey from Bukit Timah station to Tanjong Pagar. We've reached Spooner Road. Yes. Okay. So ahead of me is the continuation to the railway station at Tanjong Pagar. But because it's the government didn't sort of refurbish or do anything yet, so it's blocked. So this is the end of the green corridor. Okay, so we have to turn a little bit backwards to exit. And thank you for joining me for the ride today. See you again in the next video. Bye bye, take care. Stay safe. Bye.